I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. Today we're going to talk about accents. Should we keep it? Should we let it go? What should we do with our accent? There are two schools of thought. Some want you to get rid of your accent completely, while other voice coaches feel that you should keep your accents, but work on those areas that are difficult for you to pronounce. For example, in my case, those THs are killers, and I have to practice those THs constantly so that I can be understood. We're going to look at a video by actress Salma Hayek, who is Mexican. You can still hear her accent, but she can still be understood. And plus, she's extremely funny as well. Let's take a look. All right, here we go.
Has threatened me.
Yeah.
Please, no more dogs.
No, enough dogs. Yeah,
enough dogs.
Yeah, he's very.
So I called him up and I said, we need to talk. And I'm not that kind of girl. I never do the we need to talk thing, so he was scared when I said we need to talk. So he called me and I said, listen. And I said, at this time at night, it's very important you call me because I'm working. And I said, listen, this breaks my heart to tell you this news because I know I'm going to disappoint you. And it's been really hard for me to come up with the courage to say this to you. And you just have to understand that I've been here working so much. I'm so tired, I'm so overworked. And I'm so lonely.
Oh.
The combination is lethal when you're so lonely and so overworked and you don't think straight. And in this moment of madness, he goes, oh, please don't tell me you picked up another dog.
So you see, she is funny, she is dynamic, you could hear her accent, but at the same time, she can be understood. Keep your accent, get rid of it, is strictly up to you. You make the decision. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally and generate rewards. And remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Bye now.